Hello from Shanghai, this is Holden. In my last video, someone has asked me if I could film around the Suzhou Creek. So today I'm here, Suzhou Creek. A lot of people think living by river in the city means luxury, views, and high prices. But along the same river, people live very different lives. Today I'm going to show you 3 very different apartments, from a shelter room to a private apartment, and finally a place which really feels like home. Now let's go and take a look for the first one. Alright, now we arrived at the first apartment. That is the building for the first apartment, Heng'an Mansion. The river is on this side. You could see the bridge, and I need to cross this road. I think I found the entrance. Yeah, there are many cameras. I think that is the entrance for the scooters. Here is the entrance of the building. Let's get in. This elevator is quite clean. Let's sit outside. Here we are, 11th floor. Here is the public area. First apartment. You can see there are many delivery boxes on the door area. You got roommates, you have to bear those things. Let's get in. Okay. The corridor. Let's see. I have to say it's a little bit messy. It's not about enjoying the city yet. It's about getting into the city. Room B. Alright, now let's get in. To be honest, this room is quite small and very practical, but this kind of place is often where city life starts, especially for students or people who just began working. Okay, we got a desk, a chair, and the fridge is a mini fridge. Right, now the bed is just a normal size bed, the air condition, and the wardrobe. Okay, now let's take a look. I don't expect we got a river view for this shared apartment, but that is a surprise. Okay, now let's check the bathroom. There is a toilet and the shower, the mirror. Okay, I haven't seen the kitchen. I think this one has a shared kitchen. Yeah, we got the shared kitchen here, 2 gas stove, and shared wash machine. Alright, now let's see the next one. Okay, right now I'm in the car and heading to the next apartment. I'll show you the street view in Shanghai. I don't know if the street view are very different from other countries. You could tell me in the comments. Alright, here we are, the second apartment. That is the entrance for this residential complex. We need to find the building 8. The environment looks good, and there are lots of trees in this complex. Here we are, building 8. That is the outside for this building. Let's get inside. The hall. 我有 Okay. We are going to the 40th floor. Here we are, 40th floor. And we need to find the number 2. Room number 2. Here we are, the room 2. And that is the public area for this apartment. It's quite clean. Now let's open it. All right, here we are. We got a single apartment. That is the kitchen. We have a lot of storage for this little kitchen. And we got 2 induction stove, I think. All right, now the living room, the carpet, and the sofa, the television, and we have a big fridge. Let's open it. Okay. Oh, some storage. And the wash machine and the dry machine, that's separated. Now the bathroom. We got the shower and the toilet, the mirror, and the sink. Okay, let's keep moving. This apartment is still by the river, but no direct river view. It's only got the city view. This place is not about the view, it's about the upgrade. Okay. Oh, we have a lot of storage. I think that is a wardrobe. Yeah, they are wardrobe. So I think we could call this the dressing room. Yeah. Now let's take a look for the bedroom. Here we are. The bedroom. That is a king-size bed, and we still got some space for our clothes. There is a little tea table and a chair. The view for the outside. The asking price for this one is 12,000 RMB per month. Quite expensive. The big difference here is comfort. You have your own space, your own layout, and everything you need for daily life. You are not just living here anymore, you are starting to care about how you live. For a lot of people, this is the stage where life feels more stable. Right now, I'm very close to the last one. Let's find the building. There are 2 stone lines. We need to find the building 2. Here we are, this one. And that is outside for this building. Let's get in. That is the hall for this apartment. Quite clean. We are going to the 20th floor. Here we are. This is the public area for this one. Quite clean. Now let me open the door. That is the last one and the most expensive one for today. And this space is quite big. It contains the living room, the dinner room, and the kitchen, and even a study room. But let's start from the kitchen. We got a giant fridge. Yeah. And that is the oven. It's brand new. And we got a lot of storage for the kitchen. 2 gas stoves and the dishwasher. Also brand new. Now the dinner table. That is a table for 4 people. Okay, this side is the living room. We got a huge carpet. a long sofa, and a giant television. Let's take a look for the view. That is the really river city view. This is Suzhou Creek, and that is a mall called Tiananqianshu. It is said there are 1,000 trees on the roof, but some Chinese people don't like this mall because they think it looks like a grave. Okay, now let's keep moving. This place, we got another table. I'm not sure if this is the dinner table. What is this table used for? I don't know. Maybe a red book. I'm quite sure I will enjoy read a book on this desk. For me, this view is quite good. Okay, let's keep moving. I think we could call this area the laundry room. We got the wash machine and the dry machine. It's not a combination, it's separated. And we got a lot of space for our clothes. Yeah, those are wardrobe. And the gas meter. Now let's see the bedroom. That is our first bedroom. I have to say this bed is quite small, but the view is quite good. Okay, the wardrobe. Right. This is not the main bedroom, so the size for this bedroom is a little bit small. Now the bathroom. Yeah, we got the shower and the toilet. Mirror. Alright. Now, when we close this door, that is the main bedroom area. We got a in-suite bathroom, bathtub, the shower, the toilet. Okay, and the wardrobe for the main bedroom. And we got a king-size bed for this one. The view, another desk. You got the river view. The space is much larger, and the layout feels like a real home. Okay, now let's talk about the price for this one. The asking price is 22,000 Chinese yuan per month. This is no longer about convenience and location. It's about staying, living with the city, not just passing through it. All three apartments are by the same river, but they tell very different stories. In Shanghai, it's not only about how much you pay, but what kind of life you are choosing at that moment. If you have to choose one of these, which stage of city life are you in right now? Feel free to tell me in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.